How's it going, country guitar enthusiasts? I hope you're having a good day. In this video, I'm going to show you a super tasty country guitar lick in the key of A. Inspired by Brent Mason, this idea uses hybrid picking, which is using a combination of pick and fingers on the right hand. We're going to start off by placing our first finger on fret 7 of the D string, picking a downstroke on the picking hand. We then pick fret 9 and slide up to fret 11 with another downstroke. Then with our right hand, we're going to use the middle finger and the third finger to pick strings 1 and 2. And what we're going to do with the left hand is place our first finger on fret 9 of the E string and second finger on fret 10 of the B string. We pluck those and slide back one tone. So we're now on frets 7 and 8. What I do then is I hit a muted note with my third finger on the 4th string. What this does is it gives it a bit of a chicken picking sound in between each of the double stops. What we then do is place our first finger across the first 2 strings on the 5th fret, pluck those 2, then we hit a downstroke on fret 8 of the G string, then an upstroke on fret 7 of the G string, then we're going to roll our third finger up one string and play a downstroke on fret 7 of the D string. Then we've got 2 more double stops. We're going to bring the first finger back to fret 4 of the B string and the middle finger on fret 5 of the G string. We're going to pluck those 2 with the middle and third finger on the right hand. Then we're going to do the same on frets 5 and 6. Then we're going to pick another muted note on the 4th string using the third finger to mute that with a downstroke. Then we bring the middle finger to fret 4 on the B string and the third finger on fret 5 of the G string. Pluck those 2 with the middle and third finger on the right hand and slide back one fret. Then we bar our first finger on fret 2 of the G and the B string and pluck those 2 together. Then hit a downstroke on fret 4 of the D string, an upstroke on fret 2 of the D string, then we come down one string and play a downstroke on fret 2 of the G string, an upstroke on fret 4 of the D string, then we're going to pick a downstroke on the 2nd fret of the A string with a slight bend, so a quarter tone bend. Release the bend, and then play the open A string to finish. The whole lick is as follows. Slowly. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video and you're new to the country style, don't forget to download my free mini course Intro to Country, which you can grab in the description below. As always, have a lovely day and I'll see you in the next video.